In this video, I'm just going to explain playlists for you. So, I've got a playlist here, test playlist. There's nothing in it, so let me put some bits in it. I'm going to pick them all, I'm going to pop them in the playlist. Right here, it's talking about transitions. So it's a little bit like PowerPoint. What do you want in between each slide? There's no transition there, so they will just come on. Or you can do from right to left, fades, zooms, bounces, whatever you do in PowerPoint, it's the same kind of thing. So this section here is how long each image is on for, each image stroke video. Usually we leave the 10 seconds alone. That's long enough normally. You can change that. I wouldn't go extreme with it. If you start to put in hours, for example, it takes a long time for the information from when you sync the cloud to the playlist for it to actually work. So personally, I'd just leave them alone. I don't mind minor adjustments, but I wouldn't put hours on there. Things in there, we've got scheduler, we've got run once, conditional play. So these things are used, I would say, in a more advanced setting. So if you don't want to be advanced, then basically from this point here, click OK. That's put them in the playlist, and you would send to player like I've showed you in the previous video. I've not got my player attached today, so this is just for sort of educational purposes. So as I've said, if you send this playlist to the player right now, it's just going to start automatically rotating between these three different assets, if you will, and it's going to do it. So right, okay, so there's the difference in duration, but I'll explain that in a second. So it's gonna just cycle through. Now, as it stands at the minute, this is a good example. This one's on there for 15 minutes. So that'll stay on there for 15 minutes. Then it's going to go down to this one for 10 seconds and go down to this one for 10 seconds, as you can see here. I probably wouldn't do that if it was me. So I'd edit it and I'd take out that 15 and I might put 20 seconds at the most because it'll need a few seconds to load that page, to be fair. So now we've got that on for 20 seconds. We've got that on for 10 seconds and that on for 10 seconds. And that'll just all day, every day, keep cycling between those three different assets. And if you add more into it and you don't touch the scheduling, that's what it'll do. It'll just keep cycling through. Hopefully that's explained. In the next video I'll do a more advanced version of scheduling and conditional play.